Hi, I'm Swarali and today's truth is simple but sharp. People only support success. That's the harsh truth that no one is just taking care of your work, your efforts, but everyone is just seeing your results, your success. No one is seeing your efforts. So this is the harsh truth that no one is watching your efforts, no one is seeing the late nights. Everyone is just watching your success. Everyone is just supporting your success, no one is supporting your efforts. This is the harsh truth that everyone wants the success, no one is care about your efforts, the late nights you did, the days you worked so hard. No one is watching it, even no one is asking you about it, but everyone is just asking about the success. Everyone is just having the care about the success because people only support success, no one is supporting your efforts, no one is supporting because everyone wants to see the success. So just work in silence and shock the world the later. Don't just declare about your thoughts, your plans, just don't announce your plans because even the greatest leaders, even the greatest businesswomen, the entrepreneurs are not announcing their plans. No one is announcing their plans. No one. Just everyone is just doing their work and then they are shocking the world. So that's why don't just announce your plans. Don't announce your plans. Just do it with consistency and then shock the world. Firstly, don't tell anyone that what you are going to do or what you are doing. Just don't announce it. Don't tell your plans to anyone, your ideas, your thoughts. Don't tell because you have to just work in silence and then you have to shock the world. Because if you are telling now to the world, then definitely they will doubt your plans, your ideas, your thoughts, and that's why your confidence will lack. So that's why don't just announce your plans, just do it with in a silence because silence is the power. Everything you have to do in silence because when you are doing it in silence, just when will your success will came out, at that time everyone will like, when did this happen?" Because you are not just saying to anyone that what you are doing now. So that's why it will be shocking news for everyone. So that's why just work in silence. Don't just tell anyone because silence is very powerful. You have to just work silently. Don't tell anyone that what you are doing, and your success will tell everyone. It will make the noise. So that's why just don't tell anyone what you are doing. You have to just work in silence, work in shadows. Don't tell anyone that what you are doing. Don't announce your plans because now they will doubt you. They will just doubt about your efforts, your thoughts, your ideas, your plans, your studies. They will doubt it about, but definitely you have to deal with it. You have to deal with it until your success will come, because once your success will announce, it will make the noise. No one will doubt about you. Everyone will just say that, oh, I know firstly that you will do this, you will definitely do this. Will be the reaction of everyone when your success will make the noise. But firstly everyone will say that you can't do it, you are not capable, you are not worthy of it. Firstly everyone will say this, but afterwards when your success will make the noise, definitely everyone will just say that I know firstly that you are capable of doing this. They will change it. So that's why just deal with your doubts. Deal with, because people will doubt you firstly, but you have to work in silence. You have to just be consistent to your works and then shock the world, because you have to just build in silence. Build in silence. Silence is very powerful. You have to do it. It's compulsory, because if you want to make your success noise, because you can't explain to anyone, just particular one person you can explain, but to the whole world if you can't explain to every single person, you can't go to their homes and you can't explain them that your efforts was this, then your success happened this. You can't explain to anyone. So that's why just don't just explain to anyone what you are doing, what you did when your success will come. Your success will just make the noise. It will definitely explain to everyone that you are doing the efforts you are just carrying, the efforts, your late nights was, everyone will see it afterwards, not the before. So just don't get offended, just don't just think that you are, no one is watching your efforts, no one is saying, but keep showing up, keep just showing, because everyone will say it definitely. And you will also just be proud of yourself when your success will just, it will succeed. That's why just work in silence, build your success in silence. Don't just try to tell everyone that you are, what you are doing, you are telling to the first person, then again you are just telling that now I am doing this, I am just working on this, I am just doing this, I will do this in the future. Don't just announce your plan, because psychology says this, that don't just tell anyone that what you are doing, because you have to just do it in silence. You have to just focus on your growth, on your success, because if you are telling everyone, then they will just make their opinions and they will just put it on you, and then you will just think about their opinions and you will just get side of your opinion, you will not see your opinion, but you are just seeing their opinions. So that's why your main idea will just, it will not, it, you will not say it. That's why just do it with consistency. Your success, your growth, you have to do perfectly, because there's the energy in the stillness. Because when you are just silent at that time, just everyone will be like you are not doing anything, you are not just working on anything. But when the success will come, then definitely everyone will just get to know about this. So that feeling is, it's really incredible. So that's why work in silence, because everyone is just care about the success, no one is care about the efforts that you did. You did efforts, that's why the success is coming. Everyone knows this, but still no one is just taking your ideas on it, or no one is just asking you about your effort. And you have to just be disciplined, and you have to turn your pain into the power. Now you are feeling the pain, you are just feeling low, because no one is with you today, because no one is watching your results, your efforts, but everyone will watch it. Now you have to deal with it, you have to turn your pain into the power. Just don't think about the pain, think about your success, just dream about your success, manifest this, because definitely it will be the true, it will come true. So that's why firstly manifest about it, and definitely it will come with consistent practices. So do it with consistent practice, because no one is interested in your success, in your efforts, everyone is interested in your success. Everyone will ask you about this, that you about your success only, but no one will ask about your efforts. So just don't tell to anyone about your efforts as well, that don't tell anyone about your effort, just talk about your success, because everyone is interested in that only. No one is interested in your efforts, no one is interested in your late nights, but everyone is just interested in your success. So that's why just tell about it, don't tell about your efforts, because it only knows you, that how you did, what were your hard days, that how you faced these problems, how you faced those hard days. It only knows you, no one others knows about that. So that's why just don't tell to anyone, because shock the world later. Firstly you have to just work in silence, you have to work, you have to build your success in silence, because there's the power of stillness. So you have to do that one, and with consistent practices, with consistent growth, you have to shock the world, you have to just make the world shocked, because you have to firstly you have to do the practices, whatever you are doing to shock the world, to just build your success, that you have to do with consistent practices, and then you have to shock the world. That you have to do by staying disciplined, just stay disciplined towards your success, because motivation will always fades away, but discipline will carry you on the days when motivation runs away. So that's why stay disciplined. Your motivation is also okay to you, but firstly carry the discipline, stay disciplined. So do your efforts with consistent practices, and just make sure that your success will make the noise than you, because your success should tell to everyone about your efforts, about your late nights. So just do the consistent practices, because you have to make your success very successful, and you have to just make it to just build the noise, to just make the noise around the world. That you have to do. The world claps for success, so build your in silence. Don't tell your plans. Just show up for yourself, because your results will speak louder than your explanations. So people is not interested in watching your efforts. People only support success. So work in silence and shock the world later.